Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see list create API view. Okay, now before starting with this concept, let me just explain why we are using two type of views in a one view. Basic concept, it just helps us to optimize our code. Okay, so now list and create in one view. Why? Because we don't require any particular ID in order to access the blogs. Okay, if we want to access all the blogs, we can directly access them. Okay, we don't need ID, and if we want to create any blog, we don't need ID because we are basically creating a new ID with a new blog. Okay, so these both views can be used in a one view and optimize our code. Okay, I will explain you this in the computer screen. So let's jump into computer screen and see this view in action. Okay, so I am on my computer screen, but before that I need to just make some changes to the GitHub. Okay, so I'll just make that changes to GitHub very quickly. Sorry, I'm all doing all these things on while I'm recording. Okay, so yeah, I'll just push it. Done. Okay, now see, here I will just create one another class, but before that let me show you one thing. See, we have seen these both views, which is list and create, and in those two URLs we have not done we have not wrote any ID. Okay, so we can do get and post request both in a one view, and if you have watched my previous videos, I have done same thing, like I was doing create and get request, I mean post and get request in the same view. Okay, so same thing we are going to do for this. Okay, so if we will write one view, we will be able to reduce the number of line of the code. Okay, so let's go down and create view. I'll say class blog list destroy view, sorry, API view, and here I'll say generics dot list, sorry, list create API view, and here I will just copy these both lines. Okay, once this is done, go to URLs. Now I'll just copy this, paste that over here. Now here I'll say list create, list and create. So I'll just copy this spelling, paste that over here, here and here. Okay, now I'll change the view name to blog list con. Okay, once this is done, simply copy this URL, go to the website, and you can paste that over here and hit enter. Okay, weird, why we are not able to? Okay, I need to copy this view name and I have put in wrong view name here. Okay, that's why. Refresh. So you can see I got this form to create the particular post, and I got the blogs which I have already posted. So let me create one blog. I'll create blog for Python. Okay, so Python is very good, sorry, good language. Yeah, I want to make this blog public. Slug will be same, programming language, and post. Okay, this is done. Hit enter again, and boom, you got two blogs, and you also got another form to post the blog. Okay, so I hope you got idea about this list API view and why this is saying me list destroy API. What's the matter? Okay, I need to write list create, not destroy. Copy this view name, come over here, paste that, refresh. Okay, list create API. Okay, this is fine. Now we have completed one more API view. Now we have left with the last view, which is retrieve update API view, which we will see in next video. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in comments below. I will definitely try to help you as soon as possible. And yeah, I will see you in next one. Thank you. Bye.